Hey, this is Suresh from Plant and Cloud. IaC Module Registry is your one-stop shop for managing IaC modules. In this video, we will be going through these following 3 points, like how to access the registry on the platform or discover available modules, understand the content that is put on the details page of a module, and go through the filters that are available on registry page. Let's dive in and see how it all works. Here on dashboard, we have registry button. Clicking on this button will redirect us to registry page. This is where we find all IaC modules. Each card here represents one IaC module. Let's click on one of the module and see more details about it. On the details page, we have overview and readme sections that has the description about the module. Example tab has sample input of the resource in YAML format. API spec, stack input and stack output tabs have proto messages defined for the resource. IaC module on Plant and Cloud platform is a representation of Git repository that has either Terraform or Pulumi code. At the right top corner of the details page, we have the Git repositories link. Clicking on that will redirect us to the Git URL where we can go through the code as well. Back on details page, we have API docs button. Clicking on this will redirect to Buff Schema Registry page that has all the proto messages defined for the resource. Create issue button will redirect us to Git repositories issues page. Deploy button will redirect us to a form where you can create the resource. Let's go back to registry page and explore filters. Provisioner section has two options, Terraform or Pulumi. Provider section has all the cloud providers that are already integrated to the platform. And maintainer section has two options, Plant and Cloud and Organization, where Plant and Cloud option returns all the IaC modules maintained by Plant and Cloud and open sourced. And organization option returns any IaC module written by a specific organization. If an organization wants to bring on their custom IaC modules, they can use the add option available at the top. Hope you got a sense of IaC Module Registry through this video. Please feel free to leave a comment or question below.